Schools are like gardens that help students bloom. But to cultivate a capable future generation, it is not enough to sow the seeds of knowledge. Young children, like saplings, need care, and most importantly, water. Water that is safe to drink and easily available for them to maintain hygiene. It is important not just for their physical health and cleanliness, but to build their confidence and self-esteem. These kids are then more likely to attend school, are happier, and are eager to learn. It is not easy. We know this because we at Splash have worked closely with hundreds of schools in Africa and Asia. We have seen transformations that seemed impossible. And how do we do it? We partner with government to ensure money is available for water and sanitation activities. We help school administrations in planning those initiatives. We collaborate with parent-teacher associations to foster community engagement and empowerment at the grassroots level, and train janitorial staff in sanitation and maintenance of the stations that we install for drinking water and hand washing. These stations are specially designed based on the feedback received from hundreds of children who love them. We equip teachers and students with our extensively researched curriculum and WASH programs to help children understand their bodies, hygiene, good sanitation practices, and menstrual health. We involve parents and communities in the school WASH activities and spread awareness by conducting soap and pad drives. We have seen the lives of children transform. We have seen communities transform. All we seek is a drop of intent ready to splash with us and cause ripples of change in the world around us.